Another thing, right? An island that's surrounded by water runs out of water to put out fires. Does not make sense or sit right with me. Secondly, why does 25% of Maui get controlled by the locals, but 75% of the water is controlled by private entities? It doesn't make sense to me. This shit don't add up. There should not be a reason that these people ran out of water. If there was a fire like that, there should have been an okay to clear from these private entities, allow as much water you need to flow to get this shit out of here.